Hi guys. There's an issue. If you used my link and used the code, everything is fine. Don't even worry about it. Gail Hart brought it to our attention that the pencils are being sold in Australia. I have an official message from Andy. These are not his pencils. This is his product information. It's being sold by somebody that Andy has no idea who they are. He's very upset about it. He's contacting Amazon. You probably will not be getting the Starjoy pencils. This is only out of the USA and Canada. Unless Amazon says they'll ship it to your country from HG Legend. If you look at a listing and it doesn't say where it is from, it should say it on the right hand side. HG Legend is the only place you should be buying it from. Anywhere else, these are Andy's exclusive pencils. I am the only person who has that code. We're monitoring it very closely. Anybody else, it could be a scam. So people are such scuzz bombs in this world, and it didn't take them long to see a good product and then list it as their own. We have no idea why this happened or how it even happened, but we're going to get to the bottom of it. And Gail, thank you so much for bringing it to our attention because we would have never had a clue. So again, the code that I gave you is working. The link is working. If you're getting it through that, everything is fine. Anywhere else, make sure it says HG Legend.